Biodiversity is the amount of variation shown by an organism in an ecosystem. Biodiversity is a measure of both numbers of species and abundance. Biodiversity ensures the stability of ecosystems by reducing the dependence of one species on another for food, shelter, and the maintenance of the physical environment.
For example, tree roots provide stability for soil, ensuring it doesn't get washed away during heavy rainfall. And in this way, roots provide an important role in maintaining the physical environment.
Tropical rainforests tend to have an extremely high level of biodiversity. They are also thought to be millions of undiscovered species of plants. Deserts can only support a limited number of species and exhibit low biodiversity. Polar regions are usually too cold to support many different species, so also have a low biodiversity. The future of the human species on Earth relies on us maintaining a good level of biodiversity. Many human activities are reducing biodiversity, and only recently have measures been taken to stop this reduction. Factors that affect biodiversity include deforestation. Forests cover approximately 31% of the land area on our planet. People and wildlife rely on forests for food, clothing, medicine, shelter, and water. About 80% of the world's documented species can be found in the tropical rainforests. Some of these forests are the most vulnerable to deforestation. When species lose their forest homes, they are often unable to survive on the forest land that is left behind. They become more accessible to hunters and poachers, so their numbers begin to dwindle, and eventually they may become extinct. Even localized deforestation can result in extinctions, as many unique species exist in small, isolated geographic locations in the world. Rising temperature already affects the world's polar regions. Diminishing the ice in this region reduces the habitats of the polar bears, penguins, puffins, and other Arctic creatures. As the ice melts, it increases the sea level, which will affect and perhaps destroy ecosystems on coastlines. Changes in temperature will also cause shifts in mating cycles, especially for migratory animals that rely on changing seasons to indicate their migration and reproductive timing. We also know that the rate of photosynthesis is affected by the temperature. As the human population increases, the volume of waste and pollution also produced increases. Polluting an ecosystem harms or kills the organisms that live within it. The types of pollution include water, air, and land pollution. As the human population increases, so does their requirement for land. Humans using more land is also a source of pollution. This means less space and fewer resources for other animals and plants. Hi, my name is Mr. Science, aka Salim. If you're new to the channel, please remember to like and subscribe, and for more teaching resources, you can visit my website at www.mrscience.co.uk.